Hello my crafty friends, this is Yolanda from craftysentiments.com and it's paper pumpkin time. I have before me the February 2018 Wildflower Wishes. Hope you can see that a little bit, it's kind of backwards. Wildflower Wishes paper pumpkin kit. Just got it in today and I'm super happy because usually mine take a long time to come. So I have a chance to play with it this weekend. And let's see what it's all about. So first, yes, Paper Pumpkin is celebrating their 5th anniversary or birthday, however you want to call it. And if you subscribe to Paper Pumpkin by March the 10th, then you can not only receive the Paper Pumpkin kit for March, but there's also an exclusive free gift that's inside of there, value from $6 to $8, and also a specially designed anniversary box. So that is really, really neat. I'll leave the information below on how you can subscribe to my Paper Pumpkin Kit Club. It's really, really easy. Also, there's great things going on. This is celebration time. So if you thought about subscribing to Paper Pumpkin, and if you're in the US, this is a great time to do that, because if you get at least a 3-month subscription, meaning you can get it March, April, May, or whenever you fill in your subscription, you get the celebration item for free as well, because this is celebration, and with every $50 purchase increment you can earn a free celebration item. So that is awesome. So it's like getting two gifts with one. So I'll move this aside. Let's see what we have here. Stamp set and garbage. The Stampin' spot is garden green. Always love these because they're just so doggone cute. And they don't really repeat the colors in the Paper Pumpkin kit. So if you subscribe, you're more than likely will be able to get a great collection of all the ink pads, all the colors that we have over time. And really, really great, especially if you're traveling. So the stamp set has some small sentiments on here. I can't see it with this. There's a thank you, there's a friend, celebrate, there are some flowers, and I'll have to stamp the other small sentiments because there's a glare right here and I can't really see what it says. Maybe if I put a piece of paper, but I'll show you that in a minute. Let's get on and see what else is in the box. Let me move this out of the way. And the kit, Wildflower Wishes. Let's see. It says contains supplies for 9 cards with the 9 envelopes. And let's see what all comes in the kit. And if you're new to Paper Pumpkin, if you've seen my videos before, everything that you need to complete the projects are included in the kit. So that is an awesome thing as well. So let's set all that down. Looks like some vellum. And always I tell you to hold on to your cardboard. And let's get the instructions first. Now with the Paper Pumpkin kit, you get a color you get a color picture of what the projects will look like. On the back, it tells you everything that the kits will include and also the colors that it coordinates with. And this month it's garden green and Sahara sand. And on the inside, there's a black and white photo of the instructions, and so it shows you exactly how you can put the cards together. So that's great. Let me set that aside. So what we have in the kit, along with the stamp set and the Stampin' spot, we have some dimensionals. We have some pearls. Looks like it's one size of pearls. Then we have some linen thread in Sahara sand color. We have some mini glue dots. Once you subscribe to Paper Pumpkin, you'll have a multitude of mini glue dots. So a good thing to put in your stash. We have look at here, isn't that pretty? We have the envelopes, and the envelopes have been lined. Does it go all the way down? Actually, it's not really lined. It's like printed on there. It's like a liner, so it's really, so once whoever you send the cards to, once they open it up, they'll see the pretty inside. That's cute. So there are 9 of those. Here are the card bases. There are 9 card bases in Sahara Sand. That's nice. I guess we have some layers. Oh, so we have some layers that go on the card, and they're in 3 different patterns. There's like a little flower. I don't know if you can see that as well. There's little flowers. There's like a stripe. Let's see this one. There's stripes. Hopefully you can see that and not too much of a glare. And these look like, I'm not sure what you want to call that, but it's pretty. I don't know if you can see that as well. Hopefully you can. Sorry about that. You also get, oh, what are these? This is nice. These are like the layer that would go behind it, so they're in different patterns. These are just so pretty. They're like little tags, and they're different patterns. There's 3 different patterns, 3 different sizes, so you can mix and match. You can have, oh, this will be fun. Let me see. You can mix and match the backgrounds with the on the card, on the layering. Oh, we have a sheet of, these are stickers, are flower stickers for embellishments. This is 1 sheet. It's kind of thick, so it's 1 sheet of those. And then this, I believe, is a sticker as well. And some more flowers. And this one says friends. And then we also have one that says celebrate. See, there's a different shape to that, and that will coordinate with the other ones. Oh, that's pretty. And this one says thank you. And again, there's different flowers on there. And the thing about it is that you're going to be using the negative, so the words will stay in here, and you can use that on another set of cards. So that's really great as well. We also have 2 vellum sheets, one filled with flowers, well, like leaves, and one with banners and leaves as well. So let me put all this stuff aside and we can get together, get started and put a card together. I'll be right back. Okay, so let's get started with this particular card. So I have all my stuff out, and so instead of using the Stampin' Spot, I have my regular size ink pad. I'm going to use that one, and that's in Garden Green. And let's move some of these things out of the way. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to stamp on the vellum. Stamping on vellum can be a little bit tricky because your stamp may slide, and hopefully it won't slide on me. So the sentiment I'm going to use for this one is, make sure I have it right, so much. And I'm just going to stamp it right in the middle. And I'm going to set that aside to dry because it needs to dry for a few minutes. Let me move that out the way. And this is the layer card, one of the layers for the card. And I'm just going to stamp some of the flowers that are in the kit. I think I'm going to stamp like this, and maybe this one on the side. Most of it will be covered up, so it doesn't really matter. I'm going to stamp this side. When you get your kit, you can make it, what I usually do, I'm going to stamp this a 3rd time. I like to make it, or try to make it as close to the sample as possible, but then, you know, the stamp set is yours, the kit is yours, you can make it however you want to make it. So I'm going to set that aside. Well, you know what I can do? I'm going to put the thread around, the linen thread. It says go around twice. So we'll go around twice with a little bit extra. And they always want you to tie a bow. And you know me and bows aren't all that great. So let's see if what we can do. Oh, the pressure. You know, that's not enough right here. There we go. So the first thing I'm going to do, I'm going to tie it in a little knot. I'm going to tie it in a little knot so it won't come apart too much. My fingers won't, it's late at night and they're not acting right now. Oh dear. I knew I should have did this earlier when I was more awake. So there's a little knot, and then I'm going to try to put this in a bow. Let's see if this works. Oh, nope. Take two. Does anybody else have trouble tying bows? I had a little bow maker thing one time, and I don't know what happened to it, because I would use that. So now, let me pull this down a little bit. And I'm going to leave it rather large because it's going to kind of peek out on the side. So I'm going to set that aside. And we're going to work with the one that says thank you. Now, like I said before, we're going to use the negative, if you want to call it that. And the actual sentiment, you're going to be able to use that later on for other cards. So let me put this down. I'm just going to lay this on top of it. Just like that. So what I'm going to do, which you don't really have to do, I'm going to put these pieces back inside the letter so it'll look a little bit more like the word. So that's going to go right in the middle. And I don't know if the instructions say do this or not. I just figured I would go ahead and do that. And we'll put that right there. I think if I would do another card, I would want a stronger contrast. So I probably would want to use a darker cardstock in the back. But, you know, that's just me. So I'm going to use about 4 dimensionals, one in each corner. I'm going to set that aside. And we're almost done. So I'm going to burnish the card, put some glue on the back. Oops, need to open it. And we're going to set that aside. And we're going to make sure they're stuck down. We're going to take the backings off of this. And we're going to layer it over just like that. So the other thing with our sentiment, it should be dry about now. We're going to take the glue dots. And we're going to put 2 on the card. And these are going to go toward the bottom of the sentiment. You can either put it like toward the top. These are going to go on the bottom. And you won't be able to see the glue dots. Thanks. I'll stick it here where it says thanks so much. You can place that wherever you would like to place it. The other thing, we have the other little vellum pieces we're going to add on there. But first, let me add some pearls. I'm just going to add maybe 3. You don't get very many pearls, and these have to go for, I think they have 9 cards in here, they said. So use them sparingly. And I'll stick one over here. So that's it for that. Now I do want to put the vellum pieces on there. You know, because the vellum and the cardstock is Sahara sand, it's really kind of hard to see the vellum pieces, and I'll show you in a minute because I did a couple other cards in it before. So I'm just going to stick a glue dot down, and you can lay it wherever you would like. I'm going to place that there. So there are two different kinds. There's a larger leaf and a smaller leaf. This is how I decide I'm going to do the cards. You know, I start off saying I'm going to do like the instructions say, and then something happens and a change. So two more pieces and we're just about done with our card. You know, things just stick. You know, when you're trying to do a video, things just stick when they're not supposed to. But at any rate, this is a really cute card. There are three different sentiments on here. One is friends or friend. One says thank you, and one says celebrate. So that's it for that. Now they also say that you can either stamp the envelope. This is so cute. You can stamp the envelope. They have stickers that you can place on there. I think for this one, I'm just going to stamp this green again. As soon as I remember what I do with my ink pad. I think I'm just going to do it 3 different times. And there we go. And there you have it. So there's that one. And I also have 2 others that I created. Here is that one. I just stuck stickers on the side. And that's friend. And there also is a stamp where you can create the line, so you can where you're going to write your name and address for the person you're going to send it to. And then there's another sticker right there. And that one is celebrate. So I hope you can see all of that. So there you go, everyone. The Paper Pumpkin Kit, the projects for February 2018. They are so cute. Thank you so much for joining me. If you would like to subscribe to Paper Pumpkin, I'll leave a link below on how you can go to my online store and subscribe. If you would like to, think about getting the 3-month subscription and you get a free celebration item. And that is available until March 31st, 2018. Also, give it a thumbs up if you like the video. Subscribe and share out to other people to let them see how easy it is to create some of these beautiful cards that you can get from the kits. So once again, thank you so much for stopping by. This is Yolanda from CraftySentiments.com, and I'll be back real soon with another video. Thanks and have a great day.